friend, today we discuss KVS PGT Maths 2014 paper solution, and today we discuss episode number 4. And in previous video we saw episode 1 to 3. Okay, so friend, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe my channel, and if you are like my video, then like and share of my video. Okay, so today we start with question number 140. Okay, so first question is that the limit of sequence limit n tends to infinity of the given sequence Sn, where Sn is equal to Pn plus 1 n minus 2 upon n into n plus 3. This one is given sequence. So find this limit. So n tends to infinity. First we common n. So we get n square is equal to 3 minus 1 upon n and 1 minus 2 upon n. Upon n square is equal to 1 plus 3 upon n. Okay, now n square cancel out, and applying limit n tends to infinity, we get 3 into 1 upon 1. So we get limit of given sequence is 3. Now check the option. Here option number D is correct. Okay, now move on next question number 141. The number of element in the given set where S is a AB XY coordinate ની અંદર element આપ્યા છે, where we have given the condition 2a square plus 3b square is equal to 35, and where a and b are integer. So how many element in S we find? So we show that we have here given set AB is equal to, given set S is equal to AB, where condition is that 2a square plus 3b equal to 35. So we can see that plus or minus 2 square into 2 plus the plus or minus 3 square into 3 is equal to 35. Okay, and another pair is that 2 into plus or minus 4 square plus 3 into plus or minus 1 square is equal to 35. Okay, so here we get 8 element in S is satisfy this given condition, where 8 element is this one: 2 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 3 4 1 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 1 are the 8 element of the set with satisfy given conditions. So we get answer is n equal to 8. 8 element of S is given set. So we check the which option is correct. So here option number A is correct because A is 8. So now move on next question number 142. The series given n tends to 1 to infinity n upon e raised to n is what? We are applying D'Alembert ratio test. So we use un upon, we given un is equal to n upon n e raised to n. So we use un upon un plus 1 is what? Un upon un plus 1 is e raised to en into n plus 1 into e raised to n plus 1. So we get e raised to n cancel out, so we use only n upon n plus 1 into e, or તો આપણે use કરી શકીએ un plus 1 upon un. So we get un plus 1 upon un એટલે કે n plus 1 e raised to n plus 1 into n into e raised to n. e raised to n upon e raised to n plus 1 into 1 plus 1 upon n. E raised to n, e raised to cancel out, so only remaining 1 upon e into 1 plus 1 upon n. Now applying limit in n tends to infinity, un plus 1 upon un is equal to limit n tends to infinity, n 1 plus 1 upon n, and the constant 1 upon e is as it is, so only but 1 upon e, and limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 upon is equal to 1. So we get 1 upon e less than 1. If limit less than 1, then given series is a conversion series, okay, by using D'Alembert ratio test. So here option number B is correct. Now move on next question. These all questions are net level question, okay. Again, remind your mind, high level question these only, okay. Exam will be PGT question, but exam PGT नहीं आसे, but question જે છે એ net level ના question હશે. Next question number 143. The given series n tends to 1 to infinity, n factorial to raised to n upon n raised to n is what? So we have un is equal to n factorial to raised to n upon n raised to n, and un plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 factorial to raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 raised to n plus 1. So we get un upon un plus 1 is 1 upon 2 into 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n. Now applying limit on both sides, so we get limit n tends to infinity, un upon un plus 1 is equal to limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon 2 is constant, so we get 1 upon 2 limit n tends to infinity of 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n, and we know that limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n is equal to e. This one limit is e, so we get only constant 1 upon 2 into e multiplied by e, so e by 2 is greater than 1. So by using D'Alembert ratio test, we get this series will be convergent, okay. So now check the option. We check option number A is correct, okay. Now the limit of the sequence is what? Again we given sequence Sn is equal to 3 plus 2 into root n upon root n, applying both side limit n tends to infinity, so we get limit n tends to infinity 3 plus 2 root n upon root n. In numerator we common root n, so we get 3 root n, 3 by root n into 2 upon root n cancel out, applying limit n tends to infinity, so we get 3, so we get only 2, 3 upon root n is equal to 0. Limit apply करशो तो 0 થશે, તો એની લિમિટ થશે 2, so we get 2. So here option C is correct, its limit is 2, okay friends. So again, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe my channel, and if you are like my channel, then like and share of my channel, and if you are subscribed, then again you are notification of above video, okay, of this PGT channel, PGT season or TET season, Kalati season, junior clerk season, okay, all season you will notify any video of my channel, okay. So again, thank you friends.